Hey y'all, this is Ashley. Thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate everybody that does watch. I'm going to do some unboxings today, some more from AliExpress for diamond paintings. So yeah, I have 1, 2, 3. I think I have like a big one, I have 2 medium-sized ones, and then I have 5 small ones on there. So I'm going to try to get through all of them in this one. This big one is one that I was going to open in the other video that I just recorded, but it ended up already being 30 minutes, and I'm trying not to make them too long so that y'all don't not want to watch them, because I want you to watch them. Anyways, if you are new to my channel, thank you for joining, and I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified whenever I am uploading videos. If you aren't new, thank you for coming back and watching again, and hit that like button if you can. I'd love to hear from everybody in the comments. I do reply to everybody who comments to me because I like to hear from you. Okay, so enough jibber jabber. I'm going to open this bad boy first. I have cut them all. Just the bags, just cut them to see what they were, so that I could message the seller and let them know that I did receive them, and I haven't even done inventory or anything. So if there's something missing, I'm probably not gonna be able to get it, but that's okay. They sell extras on Etsy. So hopefully nothing's wrong with any of the canvases. I'm trying to keep up with them as they come in. That's why I'm trying to get all these pre-recorded. That's why I'm in the same shirt again. I'm trying to get everything pre-recorded because I have a huge box of them right here. You can't see it, but there's still a good chunk that I haven't done yet. But these are all ones that I ordered at the beginning of, shoot, this one's from February 28th, March 1st, March 1st, March 31st. So these are like March and February still, and these are all like March and just ordered. Some of them are from Amazon, some are from AliExpress. Anyways, enough of that. Let me get back to this. This is a 25 by 30 full round. I ordered it on the 1st of March. I did not write down when I received it. Some of these, when I first started ordering these, I forgot that I should write down that, because I didn't think that anybody would care, but I guess I should have. But anyways, it's from the Xin, I don't know if I'm saying it right, store. It's a black chalkboard, blackboard text one. I paid $3.50 for it. It's a mason jar welcome. So there's the store right here, Xin. Sorry, my handwriting. I just jotted it down so I wouldn't have to keep looking back and forth at my notebook. So let me set this one aside. This one's also from that store. The next one I'm going to open. I will attempt to link them below. If I do not, at least I'm telling you where they are from on AliExpress so you can check it out. Because sometimes it's hard to go back and find them to link them, but I'll do my best. No guarantees. Okay. Did come with a normal toolkit and some baggies. And it plastic flying everywhere. The plastic is kind of lifted up there, so I'm trying to fix that. This is what it looks like. That's what it's supposed to look like when it's done. Here's what it looks like. It's hard to see when I'm behind it, sorry. So it's just a mason jar, and it has some flowers in it, and it says welcome, and the background is supposed to look like a chalkboard effect. It has 15 colors. They're all letters and numbers, like I love. It is a round. I think I've said that already, though. Let me get this dang thing open. How many did I say? 15. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 3 bags of 15. So they're all there. Oh, I guess I'll just show you this way. So there's all the different colors. Easier than trying to like string them out, making a bunch of noise. Because I'm already making enough noise. Did I say, I don't know if I said it or not. It was a 25 by 30, and it is a full round. So that's cute. That might end up being, since I know she doesn't watch, might be my sister's Christmas present. Maybe. I got other ones that I got for her too. So let me mark that as I checked it. Every time I do an inventory, I just put a little check on it right there. My box of ones that I've gone through, excuse me, is growing, and the other one's shrinking, so that's a good thing. I have the hiccups, I'm sorry. Let me get some water. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I've been drinking a lot of water, so I've been having the hiccups. I guess I'm drinking it too fast. Alright, so this one I bought on the 28th of February. It shipped on the 1st of March. Yeah, 1st of March, and I forgot to write down when it came in, like the other ones. Came from the same store. I call it the color tree, and it just has it labeled as tree. It's not really colorful, it's more pink, so I guess it's the pink tree. It's from that same store, and it's a 30 by 40 full round, and I paid $4.90. Y'all see me blinking a lot? I went swimming yesterday for Easter at my friend's house, and my eyes are bothering me a little bit now. So, partially why I'm wearing my glasses also. But they're like watering and stuff. So, this came with a normal toolkit, just like the last one with little baggies. I have like a pile going on behind my computer. Alright, it's so pretty. I love this. So it's basically a tree with a bunch of hearts as the branches. The drill field is pretty clear. Here's the key and what it's supposed to look like when it's done. It has 17 colors. And none of these have the DMC numbers. I just realized that. So. Oh, I'm sorry. These days where it's like overcast and like makes me sleepy. Alright, so it has 17 colors? Yes, 17. So here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Those are pretty. 14's I think my favorite. 15, 16, 17. So they're all there. I'm gonna get it back in there. It stuck to me. I guess I've wrapped them too tightly. Not too tightly. I didn't put them flat enough. And they make these bags so skinny. It's a tight bit. Got it. Got it. So far that one I think is one of my favorites from this store. I just wish they would put the DMC numbers so that I didn't have to go through the problem of trying to match it in my book. Because that's gonna suck. Hopefully I'll just use all those colors and I don't have to match. So these are the ones that came from, I wrote down the store because I know I'm not gonna be able to say it. So that's the store name. Right here. It's like Hibah HuBeng or whatever. They're all partial rounds. They were all $2.45 each, and I think it was like $12 for all 5 of them. And they're all 25 by 25. Ooh, I can't stop yawning. Hell. I don't remember ordering half of this, so we'll just see what it got. I don't remember ordering this one for sure. That's okay. Oh, this is... I see why they're $2. They came with a normal toolkit. It has 9 colors, and the only thing... I don't even know how it has 9 colors, because the only thing you do on this one is the leaves on the palm tree. That makes sense why it was only $2. So that sucks. I was stuck to these things. It's like, what's the point? I guess that'd be good for like kids. Whatever. I'm glad it was only $2. I'm not big on partials, honestly. I'd rather just do a full one and not waste my time. You know what? It can go in there later. Looks like it's a partial. They're all partial, but normal toolkit. This one at least has more of a drill field. This one's worth the $2. Has 20 colors for this little thing. 20 colors for these little birdies. That's what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully you can see that. And then a lot of greens and yellow. The drip field's clear though. So I think that one's worth it. I would hope that all the colors are there. I ain't even gonna bother. It's not gonna break my heart if this one's not there for these little ones. But when I go to do them and then I show it to you, I'll let you know. Like after when I ever finally get to them. If I do these. You never know. Sometimes I do random giveaways. But I'm not going to give away something if I don't. Just because I don't like it. I'm not trying to put all my unwanted stuff on you. Same kit. This one is similar. But they almost look like they're kissing. Kissing birdies. Yeah. So it's these 2 birds right here in the corner. They're kissing. At one point, Bob and me were going to get birds, and we wanted a sun conure. So that's why I ordered all these. But I think we've decided we're going to just stick with dogs. And eventually get a miniature cow. We're weird. But that's okay. Keeps it interesting. It's like the plastic sticks to the sticky thing that closes the plastic. Since it's not stuck all the way around to the canvas, since it's partial. So these are little weird guys, but they're kind of cute. I don't know if y'all used to watch Sesame Street, I think it was. There was a little guy on there that was called Snuffleupagus. He was my favorite. Or one of my favorites. And this is what that one reminded me of. So I had to have it. Because when we were in school, in high school, in English class, we had to write a book, a children's book, for one of our projects. And we had a partner, and me and one of my good friends, who's still one of my good friends, wrote a book about Snuffleupagus taking an adventure. And she was the artist. But it almost looked like that when she drew it, so I thought that was cute. Maybe I'll do that and frame it for her, and she can have that memory. But it has 14 colors. It's cute. There's what it's going to look like, and there's the key. So that one kind of has a little sentimental value. And I just thought, I saw that, and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks like the little guy that drew in the book. But yeah, we had the idea of Snuffleupagus or something like that from Sesame Street. I don't remember if it was Snuffleupagus. I think we called him Snuffleupagus. Whatever. And then this one is supposed to be a cow, but it looks like a deer at the same time. I don't know. It was cute. I called it the fluffy cow. This is what it's supposed to look like. And that's what it looks like. Okay. And it has 12 colors. There's the key. Normal toolkit. They're overflowing onto my keyboard. It's mainly like reds and orange, it looks like, so hopefully that doesn't turn out looking funky. I would have thought more brown, maybe. But well, I went through those faster than I thought I would. I think I just have one more out of this group. I really don't remember ordering that palm tree one, but I'm not really impressed with it either. But that's okay, the others are cute. So I'm just going to mark that as all here. And shove it in there. So this is another one that I absolutely loved when I saw it. I got it on AliExpress also. I got it from MHD Beautiful Craft Store. Here's the name of the store, MHD Beautiful Craft Store. It's a 30 by 40, and it's a full round. I paid $8.75, excuse me. I call it the stained glass window. They called it the stained glass window flower, but it's a yellow tulip basically. With stained glass around it, which I love that. Tulip is my favorite flower, and I love like stained glass looks. I ordered it on the 31st of March, and I received it on the 16th of April. You know what? Let me do this first. I have never seen a open. I've never seen that. These have how many is in the bag for the 310s. It says 1,000. I've never seen that. Maybe I'm just not familiar with stuff like that. But I think that's cute. Just the big bags though. So 310s, it says I'm supposed to have 3,648, and they gave me 4,000. So I know those are all there. It says I'm supposed to have 19 bags, but they did the 4 big bags. I'll check the inventory in a minute. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Y'all probably hate that I yawn all the time, but I can't help it. Please don't hate me. Here's the inventory sheet. It's a bunch of symbols. But 30 colors. Oh, here it says note. Drill numbers 310, 3865, and 5200. 3 colors have big bags. But I only have 310s in this one. But it's just an example. It says those ones are those 3 colors are always going to be in big bags. It says 1 small bag equals 200 pieces. 1 big bag equals 1,000 pieces, which equals 5 small bags. So yeah, that's why I got 4 of the 1,000. See that down there? Which I already knew that sometimes they do that. That's what it's supposed to look like. And here's all the symbols. And all the colors. So I'm not going to check them. I'll just check them in a minute whenever I get off the video. Some people don't like that. Some people don't like long videos. So I'll check them on some of them, and on these like the bigger ones like this, I'm not going to check them until after the video. But like I said a while ago, when I go to do the painting, I will show you. I mean, tell you. There's a diamond on the loop. I want my dog to eat it. They eat everything. Set right there for now. Okay. It did come on a roller. So you have to give me a second. So I can, oh, it stinks. That paint, I mean not paint, that glue scent. It's hard to do. Give me a second. But they won't screw up the canvas. There. So this is how long it is. It's not. Let me try this. This is what the bottom looks like. We're gonna go backwards. So this is the vase. Oh, it's sticky. Like the vase part where the stained glass and stuff is. It's going to be pretty. Lots of blues and pinks. And of course, it's going to be yellow at the top. The key on this one's a little small too, but it's not too bad. That yellow is gorgeous. Weird. It's pretty sticky. Show you the drill field. Lots of symbols. But you can see them pretty good. Kind of. Oh yeah, that stuff is so sticky, it's like hurting when I feel my finger. Yeah, some of those are hard to see, honestly. But I think maybe once I get my light pad on it. Oh, okay, it's that one. So the ones that are hard to see are like on a darker color of that green. So I might have to. I don't know what to do about that. Probably nothing I can do. I'll just try to turn it on my lap pad. Do it that way. I've never had that problem where I've had to like message the seller about the canvas yet. Knock on wood. So I'm sure it's coming. My time is probably coming because I've been ordering a lot on AliExpress. Well, I haven't lately, but well, it's because they take forever to get here. But I don't know. I will probably ask some of my diamond painting friends what they think I should do if I can't read the symbols. Even if I can't read them with the light pad. I might get my light pad out and check. Well, I mean, it's over there, but I don't know. What did y'all think? What did y'all think? This one's my favorite. I just wish the symbols were a little bit more legible. Isn't it so pretty? It's gonna be so pretty. That would be a good one to like donate to the church. I might have to try to find it from another seller and donate one to the church. That'd be a good idea. But anyways, yeah, that is this little haul from AliExpress from my bucket. I'm probably gonna have a couple more videos that I'm gonna pre-record, so I'll be in the same outfit. But let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I love hearing from everybody that supports me, and I like to talk to y'all through the comments. I feel like I'm getting to know y'all, and I'm noticing, oh, I know that person, you know. I'm recognizing your names and stuff. So I did want to say hi to a couple people that I know in real life that I know have been watching. My best friend and her daughter started watching my channel because I finally had the courage to tell them that I had one. I'm a weirdo like that. I don't like a lot of people that I know in real life to know that I have like a channel or even an Etsy shop. I just kind of have stuff that I like to keep private, but I had the courage to tell her. I don't know why I was being weird about it, because she's my best friend and she doesn't judge me. She tells me how like it is. So, but her and her daughter have been watching my channel, so I wanted to say hi, Julie, and hi, Gisela, and let them know that I love them and that they're amazing. Julie said that Gisela's like, oh, my aunt is on YouTube, so she's famous. I'm not famous. I'm still a nobody, but it's cute. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I'd love to hear from y'all in the comments. Say hi to Gisela in the comments and say hi to Julie so that they can see that. I'd really appreciate it because her little daughter thinks it's amazing. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And yeah, I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day.